Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on oil and USO daily weekly time frame. Got to give a shout out to James. He does these videos during the weekday, but he was absolutely killing it on oil and natural gas this week in the chat room. Really all over these bull moves, so definitely have to give him a shout out for those gains and really the clarity that he was seeing, and seeing his opinion that he was posting in the chat room, and then for me to go back and look at the charts and just completely agree with everything that he was saying. Obviously, when we both are in the same mindset and seeing the same things, it is when we're most confident on what to expect in the short-term future. So for oil, we have been consolidating for over a month at this point, but this is a big, long, lower wick, bullish reversal hammer. We have to be cautious because 2 weeks ago we had a similar one that was not confirmed. But right now I'm watching this tightening pattern where we have a clear lower high, lower low pattern. And in order for the bulls to change that pattern, they have to then start forming higher lows and higher highs. So here is our attempt at a higher low. Our previous low was 42.08. The bulls are looking for a higher low at 45.57, and we're going to have to see a break. First things first, we have to see a green week this following week to confirm this bullish reversal hammer. And then we have to break this recent high of 50.40 to see that higher low and higher high and this change in trend, which I do believe the bulls have a fairly decent odds of doing. But again, step number one, need a green week this coming week to confirm that reversal candlestick. And then this downtrend resistance line will be in play from there. So on the daily time frame, bullish reversal candlestick being confirmed, but it is an inside bar. So we do still need to see that break of 47.44 and then looking up at 48.72. So again, you can see how the more we zoom in, the more details we can get in terms of key support and resistance levels. We had a support down here of 45.43. And we held that level, 45.57, and that's when the bulls really showed up in the short term. They had that big bull move here on the 4-hour time frame on big volume. So here's our move. And again, because of the clear lower high pattern, there's no chance we're going to break that trend just coming off the low. We have to form higher lows and higher highs to do so. So our higher low was just established at 46.54, and now the bulls have to break that 47.44 level, which I do believe they will as we closed up at the high of the week here at the end of the week. The bulls have momentum, trying to turn things around. The 4-hour time frame is the first place that we will see the change in this trend, and we're close to seeing it now. And we just need to see that weekly chart, a nice green week this coming week. Ideal scenario, I would say, for the bulls would be a break of 48.14 and a close above that level by the end of this coming week. So that's what I'm going to be keeping an eye on. USO, trying to see a bounce play out as well. Still lower highs. Resistance right now is 969. 990 and then 998. Those are the three levels I'm looking at. Bulls must hold 934 essential support. Weekly time frame. So there's our Dragonfly Doji. And again, we're coming off the low, and on this solid bounce, we're not going to break the trend. We're not going to break that downtrend. We have to form the higher low and the higher high to do so. So our must-hold support way down here is 865. Bulls want the higher low to be that 934 level. Same thing, must see a green week this coming week to confirm this bullish reversal Dragonfly Doji and be looking back up at our recent high of 1032. I do like the positioning of these oil bulls, but again, we need the follow-through this week to be confident in them. So I appreciate you watching. We'll continue to check back in as always. Have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.